Under machinery equipment and in indent, inventory, maintenance, these are all included in this chapter. What is indent? Indent is an official order or requisition for medicine and supplies for the medical stores. The nurse acquires the equipment and supplies based on the need estimation, availability and the budget. As the equipment is received, it should be inspected and stored as per the classification according to the rate of consumption. If the nurse acquires any equipment or supplies from the hospital, the nurse must equipment received it in store with indent. It is an official order. From medical stores, the medicines and supplies should be order is called indent. Always ensure that there is a buffer stock. Preventive maintenance has to be carried out through service contracts. Proper cleaning and making repairs has to be done and the equipment stored safely. Inventory. Inventory means an inventory is a detailed list of articles in the word, their specification, standard number of quality. When we are speaking of inventory means it meant making a count of articles in hand. This is inventory list of articles. Indent means if any equipments and supplies need means they must order in from the medical stores. The medicine and supplies order from the medical stores. What is the purpose of inventory? To ensure the availability of the item, provides chance to determine the condition of articles, time to return the articles to their proper place. Inventory of some articles maintained daily and some other things it may require weekly, whereas some others only monthly inventory is adequate. Okay, list of things, and some things will be maintained daily and some are weekly and some are monthly. What are the methods? Visual control method, ABC analysis, VED classification, 2-bin system. What is visual control method? It is the simplest method. What to have on hand and decide what to get. Okay, what to have on hand and decide what to get. It is the simplest method. And next one, ABC analysis. Always better control. This is based on cost criteria. About 10% of materials consume 70% of total cost. About 20% of materials consume 20% of total cost. About 70% of materials consume 10% of total cost, and this is a always better control analysis. That means if we take 10% of materials, it takes 70% cost. We take 20% of materials, consume 20% of total cost. 70% means 10%. And VED analysis. VED means based on critical value, the item should be classified into vital, essential, desirable. Vital means shortage cannot be tolerated. Essential, shortage can be tolerated for a short period. Desirable, shortage will not adversely affect but may be using more resources. These must be strictly scrutinized. Vital, shortage cannot be tolerated. What will be the shortage will be there in the hospital. These shortage should not be tolerated. Essential means if any need can be tolerated for a short period. Desirable, shortage will not adversely affect but may be using more resources. This must be strictly scrutinized. This is VED analysis. Vital, essential, desirable. 2-bin system. What is meant by 2-bin system? There is a main bin and a backup bin of products. Use the products from the main bin first before using the backup bin indent for the product. This is 2-bin system. And after that, an important topic, just Just time touch only sterilization techniques because you already learned in microbiology clearly. Sterilization technique. What is sterilization? Sterilization is a process by which an object becomes free from all the microorganisms. By sterilization, pathogenic organisms will be destroyed. This is called sterilization. The process by which the pathogens as well as spores and viruses are destroyed by sterilizing process. What is the purpose? Free from pathogens, destruction of microorganisms, to sterilize instruments and equipments used in the surgical practice, and the articles in such a condition that they are ready for use at any time for the safety of patient. What are the methods? Physical method, chemical method, radiation method, natural method. What is physical method? Under physical method, two types are there. Moist heating, that means hot air oven or autoclave. These are two. Already you know about autoclaving and hot air oven. And after that, chemical sterilization. What is chemical sterilization? It is also called cold sterilization or disinfection by the disinfectants. Disinfectants means alcohol, phenols, Lysol, or any detergents. These are all under chemical method of sterilization. And natural method of sterilization means, what is natural method? This method is used to sterilize contaminated linen and bedpans. Direct sunlight will have an effect on acid fast microorganism. Place the linen or bedpans in direct sunlight for 6 hours for 2 consecutive days. For 2 consecutive days for 6 hours, we must keep the bedpans and contaminated linen sterilized direct through sunlight. This is natural method of sterilization. And radiation. Radiation means this method is expensive, but nowadays it is used for the sterilization of plastic items such as disposable saline sets, catheters, Rayleigh's tubes, disposable syringes. This method will be used by disposable saline sets, catheters, Rayleigh's tubes, and disposable syringes. This is radiation or ultraviolet light sterilization. These are all sterilization techniques: physical method, chemical method, radiation method, and natural method. By using sterilization only, we clean that instruments. Okay, care of rubber goods and care of linen, or care of glassware items. These are all. Thank you.